how to link a new bank account to your PiggyVest account in some few simple steps. Now, open your app like I've already opened mine and click on link bank or ATM card. As you can see, after clicking on it, it will load and you will be faced with three options of either linking a new card, meaning that an ATM card, or you link your pocket app. But here we want to link our bank account, so you click on the icon, the red icon here, orange icon that has link your bank account. So after clicking on this, it will take you to the next step where you'll be asked to input your bank details. So you have to select your bank from here. You select the bank that you are using out of these banks that we have here. These are the banks that you can link to your PiggyVest account. Now I'll be using a Wema account to show you. So after clicking on the Wema account, you'll be asked to input the account number. After inputting the account number, your name will load. You wait for it to load. Now after loading, what you have to do now is your account, to verify that your account is the same thing with your name. So after that, you click on proceed. Then you input your PIN, your PiggyVest PIN that you have set before. You input it and then you allow it to load. Your account has been successfully linked. The request has been sent, so you have to wait for some days for the account to be effected. So how do we confirm the account? To know that the account is active, you have to proceed by doing what? By sending a 50 naira to the account generated for you, this parallel account. Depending on the account that you'll be faced with, the account will be generated for you. Then you send 50 naira from your linked account. For example, I link my Wema bank account, so you go and send 50 naira from that account you linked. So I will be sending 50 naira from my Wema account to this parallel bank account to verify the account I just linked. So this is the steps to take when you are trying to link a new card.